feeding time here. Not only for the fish, but I do believe that Squishy's in there. Let's see. Come out, Squish. I know he's down there. I see him. Come on out, don't be camera shy. See, you can see him. Oh, there we go. Oh, such a cute little turtle face. Let's see. Oops, wrong way. Ah, too close. Smile for the camera, Squishy. You've got a leaf. Oh, isn't he cute? In a sort of snapping turtle kind of way. Yeah. He's such cute little beady eyes, Squish. So far, he hasn't been a problem. He hasn't bothered the fish. I do tend to keep them fairly well fed, though, so perhaps that is the reason. I think he might be very difficult to capture should he become a liability. Strangely enough. You wouldn't think so in this little pond. But it is amazing how well they can hide. So, that's it. Nothing extraordinary going on here. Just business as usual. Goodbye.